Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Remote Desktop Plus installed, network path open, and credentials ready. First, open the app on the remote host and enable remote access. Set a secure password, allow firewall exceptions, and note the host ID. Once done, switch to your local machine, open Remote Desktop Plus, and select Add New Connection. Enter the host ID and a friendly name. Make sure to test connectivity immediately so you don't waste time later. You now handle the middle steps that determine stability. Select the correct protocol, RDP for Windows, VNC for cross-platform, or the built-in mode, then pick an encryption level. Next, map resources you need: clipboard, local drives, and printers, and set display resolution and bandwidth limits to avoid lag. Once you've configured authentication options, save the profile and run a staged connection. Observe latency and adjust color depth. You finish by saving the session profile and creating a shortcut for repeated access. This saves time and preserves settings. Make sure to lock down security, enforce two-factor authentication, disable plain text logins, and enable audit logging. If the session fails, first check service status on the remote machine, verify port forwarding and firewall rules, and confirm the network MTU isn't fragmenting packets. If problems persist, restart the remote agent and retry. That one step often clears stuck connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.